Feel your car shaking when you brake? Spring is when most drivers finally notice it. After winter, your brakes go through wear, rust, and damage, and now it shows up every time you slow down. Sign 1. Steering wheel shakes when braking. Why it happens. Winter heat cycles and sudden cooling can warp rotor surfaces, causing uneven contact. Simple fix: resurface or replace your front rotors. Sign 2. Pulsation in the brake pedal. Why it happens. Uneven wear or deposits build up on the rotor surface after winter driving. Simple fix: machine or replace rotors to restore a smooth surface. Sign 3. Shaking worse after car sits. Why it happens. Moisture creates rust patches on rotors, causing uneven braking until worn off. Simple fix: drive and brake gently to clean rotors, but inspect if it doesn't improve. Sign 4. Car pulls or shakes to one side. Why it happens. Salt and debris from winter can freeze or seize caliper pins. Simple fix: clean and lubricate caliper pins or replace the caliper if needed. Sign 5. Shaking at high-speed braking. Why it happens. Winter potholes can damage wheels or cause imbalance that shows during braking. Simple fix: check wheel balance and inspect for bent rims. Sign 6. Shaking with no brake pressure. Why it happens. Tire imbalance or worn suspension components can mimic brake issues. Simple fix: inspect tires for damage and check suspension components. Sign 7. Shaking after recent brake job. Why it happens. Improper torque, dirty mounting surfaces, or poor quality parts can cause uneven contact. Simple fix: recheck installation and torque specs. Clean rotor mounting surfaces. Sign 8. Rust ridge on rotor edge. Why it happens. Rust builds up where pads don't contact the rotor surface. Simple fix: replace or machine rotors if ridge is significant. Sign 9. Vibration getting worse over time. Why it happens. Uneven wear continues to increase rotor distortion or component failure. Simple fix: address the issue early before it affects more parts. Brake shaking usually comes from uneven rotors, stuck components, or wheel issues. Brake shake isn't just annoying, it's a safety issue. Fix it early before it turns into a bigger problem. Drop a comment, like, and subscribe for more signs and symptoms to help keep your car running smoothly. And I'll see you next time.